What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how can you earn easy money by writing. I will show you 3 easy ways that can help you to make money by writing. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos and latest update inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing, if you want to get traffic, tricks and twists of various methods, then you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. So guys, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to make big money per month over 10,000, then check my number on recommendation. And in end of this video, I will show you how can I make $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and you see here. And end of this video, I will show you. So as I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now in this video I will show you how to earn passive money by writing, and I will show you 3 easy ways that can help you to make money by writing. So as way number 1, content writing. So as way number 1, content writing. A lot of companies, a lot of agencies, a lot of vendors want to hire content writer. Content is the king in internet. So every agency, every company, every marketer needs content for their blog post, for their LinkedIn post, their PDF, white paper writing. That's it. So you have to write content, and your content on based on informative content, educative content, this kind of helpful content you have to write for those companies or agencies. And it's one of the best way to earn a passive income by writing. Now way number 2, social media writing. Way number 2, social media writing. In case of social media writing, a lot of big marketers, companies want to hire social media marketing. This type of writing, skilled writing person who are able to write Facebook post, YouTube description, LinkedIn post for their companies or for their agencies. So if you are able to write social media content, then you can apply those companies for making money by social media writing. That's it. And way number 3, And way number 3, sales copywriting. It's an advanced skill. uh, it's not a simple writing. Mm, by this sales copywriting, you have to buy, you have to sell products, softwares, or various physical or digital products. So you have to be skilled, and you need knowledge to write a sales copy. A lot of vendor inside various marketplace on sales copywriter for their products sales copy. So if you are a skilled sales copywriter, then you can communicate with those vendors, and you can write sales copy for their products, about their software. So it's a advanced way. No one is able to write sales copy. So if you are able to write sales copy, then you can apply this way. That's it. By this three way, you can earn money by writing. So as if this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the others. And check my video description. You see here my Facebook page, a lot of info inside my Facebook page. And if you want to communicate directly with me, then send message here. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, so you will get a lot of info based on affiliate marketing, and you can make thousand money per month by affiliate marketing, and you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. So as subscribe my YouTube channel and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And you see here it's legendary marketer, an educational YouTube an educational training program based on online marketing. I'm a member of Legendary Marketer and an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer teaches me how to make money by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And if you are a newbie and you doesn't know from where to start your online journey and how to long run your online journey, then Legendary Marketer is the best platform for learning. But if you want to get overnight success, then Legendary Marketer is not for you. It will help you to learn about online marketing. And after joining this Legendary Marketer, you will get 15 days business challenge, and a coach or an advisor will be appointed for you for solving every problems of you, and you will get a lot of benefits inside the Facebook group. Every member of this Facebook group are so much cooperative for helping each others, and it's a high ticket training program. And you see here I have made 15 high ticket sales inside this Legendary Marketer, and I am making $1,000 per month by Legendary Marketer. So as it's a easy way to earn passive money by writing. So if you are a skilled writer, then you can apply various companies, various agencies, and you can directly communicate with various big marketers, vendors, and learn them about your writing skill, and you can write their content, their social media post and their sales copy, and you can earn money by passive. So guys, that's it. Best of luck, take action, and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation and join Legendary Marketer to make big money from affiliate marketing, online marketing. Best of luck. Bye.